Alright, I got the drawer fronts on the sideboard. It's coming along pretty well. I was going to make some handles for it, and so this is the prototype right here. It's just some oak dowel. I am going to chamfer the ends. I'm going to kind of distress it a little bit too. I got 6 of these to make. They've got some screw thread inserts in here to hold the little standoffs on, and I have to use a long enough screw to get through the drawer box and the drawer fronts and then into the actual handle, which is about 2 1/4 inches long. Okay, this is the handle taken apart. You can see the standoff here. I just put it on the lathe and drilled a through hole through there. There is a 832 threaded insert inside this main part of the handle, and so that'll just fit into here, and the screw goes all the way through there, through the drawer box. This is just too short of a screw. I had to get some longer ones up at Lowe's, and they'll just screw into the drawer like that. Got to cut out a bunch of pieces first. These are roughly 1 1/8 or 1 1/4, I think it was, and this is a 7-inch piece here. The spacing is 128 millimeters, so if we decide to change these out, there's a whole bunch of hardware with that spacing, so it should be easy to find a replacement, and I won't have to plug holes in drawers. Okay, now we're drilling the second step for the threaded insert to go in here. Got the depth set. I made a couple of practice cuts just to make sure the depth was okay. So I want them all to be the same. Okay, I'm going to chamfer the ends of these handles right here. I've got chamfer bit in the router table. I'm going to just slide it up and twist it like that and just get each end of it, and hopefully that'll work out great. This is the actual test handle. I'm run every process on this one first. Okay, we've got the threaded inserts into all the handles, and I'm going to go ahead and get set up for the router table to chamfer this each end of this thing with a 45-degree chamfer bit, and then sanding and finish. Okay, got all the pieces done for the handles. The main part of the handle was several steps on the drill press. I had to counterbore for the step-offs from the drawer face, and then I had to drill another hole for the insert, the threaded 832 threaded insert, so I could use the screws through the drawers and keep it all together. It was real easy on that new drill press, the Nova drill press with the digital depth stop. Came in really handy. I like that thing more and more every time I use it. I'm trying to make these handles look a little bit more distressed, so I'm just taking a torch and darken the just the edge of each piece. And I'll put some stain on it too, but this will kind of speed things up on the wear and tear look. Okay, got the stain on the handles after the aniline dye had cured. or dried rather, and let this dry, and then we'll put some satin poly on it.